Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the damaged version of Misty Light from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the shape of the mouth. Let's start with two curves going out. Then for the ends, let's curve it down and bring it up at the bottom. And then a curve to close it off at the bottom. Next, let's move in and let's draw the teeth. From the top corners, let's draw a diagonal line in on both sides, and then draw a curve across the bottom. And then one more curve inside. Now let's do the same thing at the bottom. Let's start with two small angles up and a curve across. And then another curve inside. And lastly, for the mouth, let's draw two bumps for the tongue. Next, let's hop on top and let's add the eyes. Let's start with a curve on top on the left, and the same thing on the right side. And then a curve at the bottom to close off each eye. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a curve at the bottom. And then a small circle inside each eye. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. Next, on the outside corner, let's draw three small curves on both eyes for the eyelashes. Now let's hop on top of each eye and let's draw a curve for the eyebrows. Next, let's hop between the eyes and let's draw an angled line up and over, and then bring it back in like this. Next, let's hop to the top and let's start drawing the hair. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a wavy line down and bring it in. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's draw a wavy line over to the left and back in. Now from the bottom of both sides, let's draw a curve down and then curve it back out at the bottom. Now in between, let's draw a curve across for the bottom of the face. And then hop inside and let's draw a curve on both cheeks. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's finish drawing the hair. On the top right, let's draw a curve up and over, stopping here. Now on the top left, let's add the bow. Let's leave a gap and let's draw a small square. Then from the top, let's curve it over, a wavy line down and back in, and the same thing on the other side. And then add a curve inside on both sides. Now under the bow, let's draw another curve down and curve it in. Now let's hop back up to the top right and let's draw a wavy line down for the right side of the hair. Now to finish off each side of hair, let's start in the middle and let's draw a swirl around and back down like this. And the same on the other side. And lastly, for the hair, let's add some extra messy pieces. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a wavy line. And then another wavy piece under it. And then underneath, another wavy one going down. And then hop down to the bottom right and let's draw another smaller one coming down. Now let's hop to the left side and let's draw a wavy piece coming out from under the bow. And then one more curved one under it like this. And that's it for the head. Now let's start drawing the body. Underneath the head, let's draw 2 small lines down for the neck. And then a V shape underneath. Now for the sides, let's curve it down. And bring it down and up on both sides for the collar. And then from the sides, let's bring it out to the hair. And then continue it down underneath like this. Next, let's hop back into the center and let's draw a curve across. And then for the ends, let's bring it down on both sides for the sides of the body. And then a curve at the bottom to close it off. Now underneath each shoulder, let's draw 2 curves down for the straps of the dress. And now inside that top section, let's add the tie. Underneath the collar, let's draw another pointed V shape. And then 2 angles down underneath. Now let's hop inside the top of her dress and let's draw the apple. Let's start with a C-shaped curve, and then another one on the right side. Now let's draw a triangle up on top for the stem, and then 2 curves on the top right for the leaf. Now let's add some rips on her dress. Across the apple, let's draw a zigzag line, and another one underneath. And then another jagged hole on the bottom left. Next, let's hop down and let's add the belt. From both sides, let's draw a small curve down, and then a curve across the bottom. Next, inside on the right side, let's draw 2 curves. And then underneath, let's draw 2 upside down teardrop shapes. And then add a curve inside the top of each one. And that's it for the belt. Now let's move out and let's draw the arms. From the armpits, let's draw another angled line down and out on both sides. Now for the right sleeve, let's draw a curve to close off the bottom. And then let's draw some V-shaped points underneath. Now let's hop over, and for the left sleeve, for this one, we're going to close off the bottom by drawing a zigzag line. And then inside each sleeve, let's draw some zigzag lines to make a hole. And that's it for the sleeves. Now let's add the arms. At the end of the right sleeve, let's draw 2 curved lines down and out, like this. Then from the bottom, let's curve it down and back up for the thumb. Then for the rest of the fingers, let's curve it out, back up, and in like this. Now top over and let's draw the left arm. Let's start with 2 angled lines down, and then angle it up and out. Now for the hand, let's start with a large rounded rectangle shape like this. Then add 3 curved lines inside for the fingers. And then draw a curve next to it on the right for the thumb. Next, let's draw the stick in her hand. From the top of the hand, let's draw 2 lines up, and then 2 lines underneath. And then close off the bottom with a skinny point. Next, at the top of the stick, let's draw 2 skinny V-shaped points on top, and then work our way out. Another set going out from the sides, and then 3 more on top. Now let's fill in all the gaps by adding a few more V-shaped points all the way around. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move back in and let's draw the bottom of her dress. Let's start from the sides and let's draw a curve down, and the same on the right. Now from the bottom left, let's draw a jagged line going upwards, like this. Now let's bring it down. And then again, let's bring it down again over to the right, stopping about here. Now from the bottom, let's draw a long angle up, and then another smaller jagged line to close it off. Next, underneath, let's add the legs. Let's draw 2 lines down on the left side, and 2 on the right. Now for the feet, let's start on the outside line and let's draw an angle out. And then from the inside line, let's bring it down and curve it out for the heels. Now let's add the bows on the shoes. Underneath the top line, let's draw a small square. And then 2 curves from both sides. Now let's draw a curve down and back in to close off the shape of each foot. And then 1 more curve inside. And that's it for Damaged Miss Delight. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!